Hey, I'm Will Coleman. Welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're making a one-pot lemon ricotta pasta. I love this recipe because it's an easy one-pot meal, so not a lot of dishes. It's nutrient-packed. It has all the veggies you want to add into it. So clean out your fridge, add your veg in, and that's why it's also a great idea to always have chimichurri in your fridge to use. If this recipe sounds like something that you want to try, be sure to subscribe to our channel to see this one and future recipe videos. This recipe comes together pretty quickly. All you need is a Dutch oven or a deep pan. We're gonna get our butter melted and add our lemon zest and garlic, get that cooked and toasty, and then we're going to add our noodles, toss it in with the butter, add in your zucchini, your chimichurri, your broth, cover with a lid, let it cook for a couple minutes or until the noodles are tender, and then stir in your ricotta and your spinach. It's gonna be delicious and very creamy. All right, let's head to the stove. Okay, our one-pot lemon ricotta pasta is all set, loaded with veggies, got some lemon flavor, some caper flavor from our chimichurri sauce. This is going to be delicious. It's an easy one-pot meal that can be made on any busy weekday or just a regular weekend night when you want some good food. If you've enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see future recipe videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thanks for watching and be sure to cook happy.